Recording a supplier credit note in QuickBooks Online helps track returns, refunds, or adjustments from your suppliers. Here's how to do it. Log into QuickBooks Online. Open your browser and log into your QuickBooks Online account. Navigate to Vendor Credits. Click on the plus new button in the left-hand menu. Under the Vendors column, select Vendor Credit. Select the vendor. Choose the vendor who issued the credit from the drop-down list. If the vendor isn't already listed, you can click plus Add New to create a new vendor profile. Enter the credit details. Date. Enter the date on the credit note. Category or item details. If the credit is for returned products, use the Item Details section. If it's for a service or an expense, use the Category Details section. Enter the amount and other relevant details, such as the reason for the credit. Save the vendor credit. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, click Save and Close or Save and New. Apply credit to a bill. When you receive a bill from the same vendor, you can apply the vendor credit to reduce the bill. Go to Pay Bills, select the vendor's bill, and the credit will automatically apply.